Open source is the prerequisite for the existence of this space, right? It's because Second Life wasn't open source that it could be shut down, right? By making everything open source, yeah, you get rid of copyright, you get rid of patents, you get rid of, state control over so much of this, right? And so, mostly patents for blockchain companies tend to only exist as a defensive mechanism against people that would wield them against you, right? But that can be also sort of a waste of time and energy. And so for protocols, we're just going to open source everything. And the truth is, few people compete on technology. Most protocols compete on philosophy. It's not that Bitcoin couldn't copy the code from Ethereum. It's they would never copy the code from Ethereum because they have a fundamentally different philosophy about token economics, about the way that they grow their blockchain, about so many other things. And it's true of Ethereum. Anybody can copy Ethereum. Well, one, that wouldn't get you their network effect, but two, everybody has a different philosophy. Oh, yeah, Ethereum's great, but to scale, we need this different algorithm. And they might be right. Avalanche has seen a huge amount of success. They have good technology. They have a different philosophy, and they've implemented that philosophy in their own blockchain, right? And so, people often get very tribalistic, and they're like, oh, this is the one project to rule them all. And it's like, one, that's not how technology works. That's not how network effects work. They tend to specialize around use cases. But three, these are different philosophies, and that's okay. We now have an open market for all these philosophies, and people can try effectively any implementation, right? I'm excited about what Neil Stephenson is doing with Laminar 1, right? Having a layer 1 for the metaverse, I think, is going to be really important. Nobody wants to live in the dystopian future run by Mark Zuckerberg and paying, 47%, creator fees to their corporate overlords, right? That sounds really terrible. How about we have an open source, neutral, open platform like Laminar 1 that they're developing for the metaverse? That seems a lot more attractive to me.